Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before that, I just want to tell you something, that I started this video series of object oriented programming C++, but due to some reason I would not be able to post any video. But don't worry, I started again this series. I just want to start again. Yeah, the one thing that I want to tell you, that in the previous video that I make about this object oriented programming C++, so introductory video that I make, and in this video I tell you about the computers and the type of computers, how started C++ program, how we move from C to C++, and what is the languages that we use and at that point of time. And now I'm going to tell you again in this video that find addition of two numbers. Okay, then we will discuss multiplication of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, division of two numbers, and then again we move from the trending question that are coming in the C++ programming, that are asking in the C++ programming. Everything we will discuss in this video series. Okay, don't worry. So let's understand what is the addition, how to add two numbers. Okay, so find addition of two numbers, in which we, so before you want to write some program, you have to write the header file in which where you write the inputs and output of the computer comes from this header file. So that's why you need to write first the header file. This is the input of the computer that you want to give. Okay, so from the first thing, from the header file, this is the hashtag we use include, this is the bracket that we use, and the iostream.h. iostream is the header file of input and output, so that's what we use, and hashtag include conio.h. okay, then we start the main function. Main function means what? Main function means that you want to write function, whatever you are going to give the input of the computer, that will show you the output on the output screen of the computer. So then we will start here from the main function. So after this void main, you write the main function of the computer. So then we start from the main function. After this void main, we start the braces, curly braces we use. So after the curly braces, we use here the clear, to want to clear the screen. So we write CLR SCR. Okay, then we use semicolon. Semicolon we use to go to the next line. Okay, so then we move towards the variable, because if you want to add two numbers, so to addition of the two number we need two variables as well, because then in that variable particular you take two numbers, and then you add these two numbers, and then it go to the another variable, right? So here you need three variable, that means, right, the one number, and the second is other number, and then third is the sum, where you add these two numbers. Okay, then it is stored in this sum variable. So here integer is the variable that we use here. So integer means that what, your variable that you are taking, num1, num2, I am taking here num1, num2, so you can write here int num1 comma num2 and comma यहाँ पे हो जाएगा sum. Sum what? Sum is the variable that we use, that are going to take sum of the two numbers. Okay, so here I will go use the semicolon as well. Then num1, suppose I am taking num1 from the user 10, suppose user take 10 number and num2 he take 20 number. So then how to add these two number, num1 and num2. So sum is the variable that store number 1 and number 2 variable. So sum is equal to the num1 plus num2. Okay, so this variable store num1 plus num2, that are particular some number. Okay, that will show in the output screen. So here we will use the semicolon, we go to the next line, then output screen. What is the output screen that show? So output will show you the number 1, number 2, sum. So yeah, the one thing that I will tell you here I take the number 1 is equal to 10. So you can also write this number on the output screen, that you want to show that output of this number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, in that way you can also write. So if you want to write, otherwise you can skip also. So here it's basically number 1 to num2 and the sum. So sum is equal to the, this is the braces that we are using here, double braces. Then here the number will show you on the sum of the number. So here sum. Okay, then we go to the semicolon thing and then gets. So your program will close right here. So here you can close the braces of this particular program. Okay, and then we go to the output screen. So what is the output screen will show you? Okay, I will make sure I will give you a diagram through which you will understand how output screen show you. Okay, So suppose this is your output screen, and in that output screen you show a variable. Suppose this is the variable one. Okay, this is your num1, that will 10, and num2, that is 20, and then this will go into the sum. So what is the sum? 10 plus 20, 30. So this 30 will show on your screen sum 30. Okay, in this type of array, 3 variable that we take, and this output screen will show you. Okay, so this is how this output screen will show you the sum of two numbers, the addition of two numbers. Okay, and I hope you understand how to add two numbers in the C++, and in the next video we will discuss the subtraction of two numbers, and then we will discuss the multiplication of two numbers, and many more things. Okay, so we will discuss. So thank you so much for watching me till the end of this video. We will come soon with the next video.